In 2026, earning money online without investment isn't a miracle. It's a skill you can build. Students, beginners, job seekers. If you've been waiting for luck, pause. This documentary shows what works when you start small and stay consistent. You don't need money to start. You need skills, action, and persistence. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. Every hour you practice, every outreach message you send, every upload you publish becomes fuel for your next win. Freelancing is one of the fastest paths: graphic design, video editing, writing, and social media management. Choose one service, master it enough to deliver a result, then offer it to people who already need it: creators, small brands, and local businesses. Start with a simple portfolio, 3 samples you can create today. Use clear deliverables, fast turnaround, and honest timelines. Then reach out daily, short, respectful messages. Even one response can turn into your first paid project. Next, content creation. YouTube for long-form authority, Instagram and Facebook for community and reach. Pick a niche you can talk about every week: study tips, freelancing journeys, side hustles, software tutorials, or career growth. Consistency beats randomness. Publish on a schedule you can maintain: weekly videos, short reels, and helpful posts. Engage in comments. Build a library of content that keeps working while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is earning commissions by promoting products. You don't buy inventory. You share recommendations, tutorials, and honest reviews. Then earn a commission when someone signs up or makes a purchase through your link. Choose products that match your audience and solve a real problem. Create content that helps first, sells second. Track results, improve your recommendations, and keep your standards high. Trust is what converts. Online tutoring turns your knowledge into income. Teach skills online: math basics, English writing, coding practice, exam strategies, music lessons, or business tools. Record short lessons, run live sessions, and guide students step by step. Success in tutoring comes from structure, clear goals, quick feedback, and repeatable practice. When learners improve, you earn trust. When trust grows, clients return, and referrals follow. AI services are another way to earn without investing: AI writing, image creation, and video editing. The advantage isn't the tool, it's your ability to combine AI speed with human quality and direction. Offer packages: a 30-page blog draft with editing, a set of social images, or a short promo video cut with captions and transitions. Deliver faster, but keep quality human: clarity, originality, and consistency across every output. Here's the key message: success comes from consistency, not luck. Set a routine you can keep. Practice one skill every day. Publish one piece of value. Send one outreach message. Momentum is built day after day until opportunity finds you. Remember, you're not required to pay to start. Use free resources, public templates, and practice projects. The first goal is proof of skill: samples, uploads, and results that you can show with pride. Do this in your first week. Choose one income path, study for 2 days, build one portfolio sample, then contact 10 people or publish 3 posts. Track what gets replies, adjust, repeat. Action is what turns learning into income. Marketing is part of the job. For freelancing, follow up. For content, optimize titles and hooks. For tutoring, collect testimonials as you improve your sessions. For affiliate, keep reviewing and updating your recommendations. Your work compounds when you keep showing up. Every success story starts like this: uncertain days, small wins, and a refusal to quit. When you build skills, your confidence rises. When you act consistently, your reach expands. And when you stay persistent, your income pathways start to multiply. So choose a path: freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, or AI services. You can do one at a time. Keep your promise to yourself. Consistency turns someday into results. You don't need money to start. You need skills, action, and persistence. Start today, even if it's messy, because practice is how you become valuable. Start today. Stay consistent. Build your future. Like, subscribe, and comment. Online income.